Hi everyone, my name is Courtney, and welcome to our informational video about one of our top-selling products, our BB4K Wi-Fi receptacle. This is one of our most covert cameras since it's built to be hardwired into your electrical system and then set into your wall. First off, let's take a look at what actually comes in the box itself. The first thing that you're going to see when you open the packaging is going to be our BB4K Wi-Fi receptacle. Let's let you take a look here. Here is our receptacle itself. Our covert camera is located here. The device comes with pigtail plugs for sampling. The actual hard wiring wires are inside of these yellow caps, but there will be more on that later. Next up in the box itself is going to be our instructional booklet. This is going to show you how to connect your camera to your smartphone or your home's router, as well as a few other features offered by our smartphone application. It is a free application, so that's an extra bonus. From there, you're actually going to find a 128 gigabyte micro SD card inside the receptacle itself. This will be located in the SD card slot that is located here. This SD card is pre-installed, so it also allows you to capture over 26 days of video recording without having to back anything up, which is also a great feature. The micro SD card reader is going to be the last thing that comes in your box. This is going to allow you to remove your micro SD card from the device, place it here, and you will be able to read all of the files on your computer or any USB device that will allow. This is everything that you need to get it set up and going. How simple is that? Now let's discuss the amazing features. So again, just want to point out our camera here. Once you have the camera set up, it is going to live stream in a 4K resolution and record videos in HD files to the SD card or on your device. This app is going to allow you to set up motion detection alerts, which will appear as email or push notifications on your phone. You can set up motion detection recordings for automatic video and or imaging capturing. Changing the length of the video clips for motion detection mode. You can schedule continuous recordings for when you're away from home. You can access the SD card recordings right from your phone so you don't have to retrieve them from the device itself. You can set up the camera to only be connected to your smartphone when you're in range instead of using the remote viewing option via your home router. It also has an auto overwrite and loop recording functionality, which allows you, the device and yourself of course, to set it that way and to start deleting the oldest files and recording the new ones. It'll also let you set up recording directly to your smartphone or the SD card. The camera itself here has a 110-degree viewing angle, and one of the best parts about this is the top outlet here is fully functional. You don't have to compromise your plug-in space and power sourcing. Please also note that while the bottom outlet is fully functional as well, the camera here is located into the grounding port, so we recommend not using it due to the potential damage that it can cause to the camera. While the device comes with a pigtail sample setup, we do recommend not using this as a permanent power source as the device is meant to be hardwired. The camera board can be damaged for using this specific plug for too long. Also, for legal reasons, there is not support provided for the hard wiring of this device. You should have a licensed electrician complete the hard wiring, as we will provide technical support on the camera only. There will be a sample video linked to this video as well, and also a link to the BB4K Wi-Fi receptacle itself. Be sure to check out our incredible website at deluxecctv.com to find this product and many more devices like this to suit your needs. We cannot wait to ensure that your needs are fully taken care of here at Deluxe CCTV Video Surveillance. We look forward to going above and beyond your satisfaction and safety. Have an amazing day, everyone. Thanks for watching.